All right, welcome back. I hope you had a great spring break. I had a great spring break, got my wisdom teeth pulled, really happy about it. Okay, students will be able to graph linear inequalities on the coordinate planes. This is the same thing we did Friday. So linear inequality, that's when you graph the line and you shade one of the sides, okay? Graphing a linear inequality. The first step, graph the line. Second step, determine if it should be dashed or solid. Third step, shade above or below. Greater than sign looks like this. Less than sign looks like this. This is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Solid line is when they have the or equal to on the bottom. If they take the time to draw the line, we'll take the time to fill it in. Dashed line is used when there's no equal sign underneath. If they don't take the time to draw the line, we just kind of dash it. Okay, so shading. If you have this, you'll shade below. If you have this, you'll shade above. So if y is the bigger one, shade above. If y is the smaller one, shade below. Okay. So let's look at your worksheet for today. Okay, we're going to look at number 1. Number 1 says y is less than 2x plus 5. So we're going to take that plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our slope is a 2 over 1, which is positive. So down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. There we go. Is it solid or dashed? It's dashed because there's no line underneath. Okay, now we have to figure out which side to shade. So we're going to test our point 0, 0. So 0 is less than 2 times 0 plus 5. The reason we're doing this is because we have the point 0, 0. This is the x and this is the y. So we're plugging them in here to see if this point can be a solution. Okay, so it ends up being 0 is less than 5. Now, which one does it say is bigger? It says the 5 is bigger. Is that true? Yes, the 5 is bigger. So we shade this side. We do count the point 0, 0. It can be a solution. So now what we're going to do is test the points. So we need to see, is negative 2 a solution? We'll go over negative 2, up 2. Is that in the shaded region? No, it's not. So it's not a solution. Okay, now test the point negative 3, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Is that on the shaded side? Yes, it is. So it does count. Last one, negative 1, 3. So negative 1, 1, 2, 3. This one's on the line. Does it count on the line if it's dashed? No, because it's not or equal to. Okay? It does not count on the line. It will count on the line if it's solid. So let's look at number 3. Y is greater than or equal to negative 1/5 x plus 4. So we're going to go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our slope is a negative 1 over 5. It's a negative, so it should go down. So down 1 over 5. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this line going to be solid or dashed? Solid. Now we have to figure out which side to shade. So we're going to try our point 0, 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to. 0 times negative 1/5 is just going to be 0, so we can just write our 4. Which one does it say is bigger? It says the 0 is bigger. Is that true? No, it's not true. So that means 0, 0 cannot be a point. So we'll shade this other side. Now we're going to test these other points. So 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now this is on the line. Does it count? Yes, it does because it's a solid line. So it does count on a solid line. Okay, next one is 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does this one count? No, because it's not in the shaded region. Okay, negative 1, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does this one count? Yes, because it is in the shaded region. So that's how you determine what is a solution and what is not. Now keep in mind that you can also make this x and this y in your calculator and type this in, but we'll do that later. Number 4 says x is less than or equal to 3. Remember, this is the same as x equals 3, okay? So you need to find 3 on the x line. 1, 2, 3, right here. So it's just going to go straight up through x. Is this going to be a solid or a dotted line? Solid, because it's filled in. Now we need to figure out which side to shade. So we're going to test our point 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 3. Which one does it say is bigger? It says 3 is bigger. Is that true? Yes, it is. So can we shade the side with 0, 0? Yes, we can. If the statement is true, you can shade that side. Now let's test our points. 4, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. Does that one work? No. 3, negative 3. 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 2, 3. Does this one work? It's on the line. It does work because it's on a solid line. Okay, this last one, 2, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does this one count? Yes, because it's in the shaded region. Alrighty, let's go down to number 8. Number 8. So y equals x minus 4. So we go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, because our y-intercept is negative 4. Our slope is a positive 1 over 1. So it should go up. 1 over 1. Is this going to be solid or dotted? Dotted, because there's no line underneath. Okay, now let's test our point. Oh, we need a shade. Pick our point 0, 0. 0 is greater than negative 4. Which one does it say is bigger? It says the 0 is bigger. Is 0 bigger than negative 4? Yes, it is. So can we shade the side with 0, 0? Yes, we can. All right. Now we'll test our points. So 2, negative 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Does this one count? No, it's not in the shaded region. 1, negative 2. 1, negative 2. Does this one count? Yes, it does. It's on the shaded side. And then 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. This one is on the line. Does it count? No, why not? Because it's on a dotted line. So it does not count. Okay. Flip your paper over. I'm going to do 10, 11, and 12 with you, but you can handle 13, 14, and 15. I totally think you can. So, first we need to put these into y equals. Super important. So move the x. So that becomes y is less than. This moved over here, and it becomes a negative 2x plus 5. So now we can graph it. The y-intercept is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our slope here is negative 2 over 1, which means it goes down. So down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Is this solid or dotted? Dotted, because there's no line underneath. Okay, now we need to figure out which side to shade. I like to go back to the original equation, just in case I messed up somewhere here. So we're going to take the point 0, 0. So it'd be 2 times 0 plus 0 is less than 5, which is just going to end up being 0 is less than 5. Which one does it say is bigger? It says the 5 is bigger. Is that true? Yes, it is. So we can shade the side with 0, 0. Dad just told us that 0, 0 does work, so we can shade that side. So now let's test our points. 4, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. Does that one count? No. Next one. 5, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's on the line. Does it count? Not on a dotted line, it doesn't. And last one. Negative 2, 3. Negative 2, 1, 2, 3. Does this one count? Yes, it's in the shaded region. All right, number 11. Remember, move the x, divide by y. So move your x. So we have 9y is greater than or equal to negative 9x plus 0, but we don't have to write that. Divide by y. We're dividing by 9. So we have y. Does the sign flip? No, because we're not dividing by a negative. Negative 9 divided by negative 9 is negative 1x. Okay, so our y-intercept here is the 0 that we don't see. So we start here. Our slope is this negative 1 over 1, which means going down. Now, is this line solid or dotted? They put the line underneath, so it is solid. What point are we going to use since it's going through 0, 0? I suggest using 1, 1, because that's the next easiest. Go back to your original equation. 9 times 1 plus 9 times 1 is greater than or equal to 0. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Greater than or equal to 0. 9 plus 9 is 18. Which one does it say is bigger? It says the 18 is bigger. Is that true? Yes, it is true. Okay, so if this worked, which side do we shade? The side with 1, 1. Okay, so that's our point. Negative 2, 2. Negative 2, 1, 2. It's on the line. Does it count? Yeah, because it's a solid line. It totally counts. Negative 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it count? Yes, it does. 2, negative 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does this one count? No, because it's not in the shaded region. Okay, now number 12. Move the x divided by y. So move this 3x over here. So we have our negative y is less than or equal to negative 3x, because we moved it over the equal sign, plus 4. Then we need to divide them all by this negative 1. Now for inequalities, what happens when we divide by a negative? The sign flips. So negative 3 divided by negative 1 is positive 3x. 4 divided by negative 1? Negative 4. Okay, so our y-intercept's negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our slope is a positive 3 over 1. So it goes up. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Okay, is this solid or dotted? Solid, because we have that line underneath. Now we have to figure out which side to shade. We'll use our point 0, 0. Go back to the original. So it's going to end up being 0 is less than or equal to 4. Which one does it say is bigger? 4. Is that true? Yes. So you shade the side with 0, 0. Okay, you ready? Let's test our points now. Negative 1, negative 3. Negative 1, 1, 2, 3. Does this point count? Yes, it does, because it's in the shaded region. Then you have 1, negative 3. So 1, 1, 2, 3. Does this one count? No, it is not in the shaded region. And then you have 1, negative 1. So 1, negative 1. This one's on the line. Does it count? Yes, because it's a solid line, so that still counts. Okay, so this is all the examples I'm going to do with you today. You're required to do the rest of the worksheet. Be sure to submit your answers. Keep in mind, even if you just submit the notes that I have right now, it's better than a 50. So go put those in now before you carry on with the rest of it, okay? Type in your answers as you go. It's always better to do that. All right, good luck. Let me know if you need help.